Wait. Hey guys! It's Layla.
And Kayla.
Welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're playing
Airplane Story.
and you guys are watching my screen.
So, what's yours? Mine's C4, C5.
Mine's C6.
Oh my gosh, we're so close!
Okay. Oh my god.
We need to hurry now.
C6. This is my C. We're so close.
Oh wait, now we don't even have to move.
Yeah. It's like we're literally so close. Imagine you were.
I wish I was D6.
Oh wait, imagine you were what is it called? Imagine you were A6.
Oh yeah.
This girl said lonely over here. But ew, that face is weird. It says.
Okay, so.
Who's gonna get the allergic C reaction?
I don't know. Yeah, somebody said yeah.
Oh my god. Now find your seat as we are about to cross an area. Ah! My seat, I'm not buckled. You guess what? What do these flowers look like? I have a pimple. Okay, you read this.
Get ready as our crew prepares snacks for us. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. I ate it.
I ate it too.
That was yummy.
It was delicious.
That was actually good, but there was something fishy in it.
Dot.
What? I'm not feeling very well. Are you feeling good, Layla?
A little bit.
This sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo.
We're all allergic. Me and her are allergic to mayo, and we're all allergic to mayo. That's mine. Don't mess with my bag.
No, she found her own.
Her name's Isabella _ AE72015. Whatever. She found her own. So.
Layla, let me keep on saying my birthday's not coming.
Where it is. Well, shout out to Isabella.
What are you doing?
Since she found her own bag. She's so cool. It's funny. Good night, passengers. This girl wants to sit next to us.
Yeah.
We're right next to the restrooms. Hey. You. Hey, are you strapped to my family? Ah! You will not survive.
For those, run.
Snakes! god, I'm scared. Mikhail, I need to be next to you. Where are they?
It's right there below us.
No! I'm lost in there! Guys, there's an open bathroom. Quickly, please. It will open.
No.
Which
Where's
bathroom?
this one? It's the one next to it, Layla.
What is it?
That was so close.
Yes, I was about to die. Wait, let's see if I can use. No, it's. I'm dancing. That was scary. We should have discussed what the heck is happening. Everybody's saying that while I'm dancing. Anna's saying that while I'm dancing. I'm dancing. I just want to go to Disneyland already.
I know, right?
Do we see? Up there. Power is back on. His name's Layla Duff. It's Layla Duff.
It's Layla with the Layla.
Yeah. The creature is on the wing. It's also gone. Creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and I have bad news. The good news is the power is back on. But the bad news is that we're also losing.
We're significant amount of oxygen.
I remember what we have to do.
I got one.
Ooh, I got one. We're safe. The bad news is that we're losing significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen max will drop from over your seats. Take that one quick.
Layla, somebody just died.
No, they're our friend.
Oh, these packages are really nice.
Yeah, we'll keep you safe until we need them. We need the people because we don't want to stay alone.
Yeah.
I'm grateful, and I'm grateful if we have people with us. Oh my gosh, what is that? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. What are we going to do?
I found it.
Okay,
Everyone, calm down.
if we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save Isabella_AE7201588.
I found a pair of scissors.
Okay, we'll cut red cable because last time that we did that one.
Yeah.
Do red cable.
Red.
I will cut the red cable. Cut the red cable for her. We need to save her.
Please don't die.
No, it was gone!
Oh no.
No, we're sorry. And Isabella, if you're watching this, we're so sorry.
I thought, because he said that the red one was the right one.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I would have cut the blue one.
We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should go look for them and check if it's okay. Oh my god, they're dead! Me and so there's the captain. We need to get into Captain quickly. Get in the Captain's room. Something is happening inside. The Captain must be in trouble. This door needs a
I know.
It's the creature! You will come.
Pay for what you've done. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
The person that you got us to kill?
Ew, we were sad. Isabella was our friend, and you made us kill her.
She was the one going to Disneyland with us.
Yeah, that is not possible. It is.
We
And
wanted
now
to go to Disneyland.
it's time to die.
I don't want to die.
I just want to go to Disneyland and ride the rides and see Minnie Mouse.
I love to go see that. I love to go see her.
I want to go see my crush. I want to go see my crush poodle. I want to go see my crush poodle.
What the? That sucks.
He's not a crush to me. I like because he's cute. He's a cute dog. Not a crush. What the
Well,
heck?
you just said that.
My mouth. What am I spitting out of my mouth? Am I so scared or what? We need to save.
I found the button.
Yes, you found it. No. When it kicks us out, you need to get in. We did it.
Yeah.
We saved the plane. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to go to Disneyland already.
I just want to go to Disneyland already.
Right? I want to go to Disneyland. At least this guy's going to Disneyland with us. He has the same name as me.
Yeah.
Name is Layla. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. At least I met somebody on this plane that has the same name as me.
Yeah.
He's cool. He's a beaver, a literal beaver. Like, that's crazy.
Hello. We need help.
We need help. Help our captain. Don't worry. We will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are. Okay. Auto mode is on. Okay. We'll trace your location and we are taking control. There is one last task I have for you. So we'll need to keep the plane on track. Over here, Michaela. No! Get the ending for me! Get the ending! It disconnected me, please!
Okay, everyone, I got this, okay? I got this.
It disconnected me! Save my life!
Okay, I'll save your life.
Please. I I just want to go to Disneyland. Save me.
No. It is back.
What's it back?
Come on. It is our son.
Guys, since you can.
City has already been written. Last chance 2 through 12. Me. Crash this plane and we will rule.
You can roll.
Eternity. No. I'm not doing it.
How are you doing it?
Right.
Are you winning?
Humans are so weak. Yes, I hope. This is not the last time you see me.
There's no way.
Mwahaha.
Okay.
Wait, you said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? He's probably coming back. Who
She's probably.
cares?
Well, who cares?
Let's get
I just
back
want to go to
home now.
Disneyland. Should we go on the?
Let's go-
Should we?
Let's go to Disneyland.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm about to throw up.
Yeah, let's go to Disneyland again. Guys, we're gonna play again. Hey guys, wait, not yet. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Now let's play. Now let's join me. No, now let's play Airplane 2.
Okay. Layla, no, it really said like victory. It said like victory, like it shouted out victory.
Wait, Michaela, wait, okay? Because I'm filming it again because you know why? This is going to be a whole series. It's going to be 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey guys! It's Layla.
And Kayla.
Welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're playing.
Airplane Story 2.
And you guys are watching my screen. So let's get into it.
Dun, dun, dun.
What the heck is this? Let's go. We're at the airport. Now, this time, in the last video, we were trying to go to Disneyland, but the monster got us.
Yeah.
In the last video, we went to Disneyland and the monster got us, so this time we're actually going to Disneyland. So let's go. Over here?
Yeah.
Get in. Yay, we're sitting next to each other.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. No,
Is it just gonna be us two?
I think. It's fine, I guess.
No.
We're-
It's fine.
Yeah. Look. Oh my gosh. Look, we're here. How did we afford this?
And we're on a different flight.
Yeah, so nothing's gonna ruin our day because we're on a different plane.
Yeah.
But I'm like, this plane is very expensive. This plane looks very expensive. How would we buy it? It was only $100. That was so cheap.
What did I mean by welcome back? We were never here. Maybe for
Welcome-
people that already visit again.
Yeah, wait, no, maybe we look like them.
Huh?
Maybe we look like the people who were here.
Maybe.
As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, there's not even no gentlemen. Welcome to the 991 president. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. We have saved an airplane last time.
Yeah, we have.
We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time.
I know.
We'll
Wait,
say,
we know, Layla.
huh?
We know he got hurt.
Yeah, he got hurt by the monster, but they won't know because they won't know. You know how we took our kids to daycare and they told us there was a monster? They didn't believe him. They didn't believe it. Find a seat, find a seat. See what's your name. Hurry! Gigi. What happened?
I fell out of the plane.
Where are you? You fell out?
I fell out of the plane.
Did we just do a barrel? Wait, so are we gonna have to restart it again?
Mhm.
That was crazy. That was funny though.
Yeah.
You flew out of the plane! Okay guys, let's get back. Come on. Get it! Yes! We got another girl! Okay, now it's just girls. If it says ladies and gentlemen again, I would scream.
It probably is. If it is, I'll scream with you.
Yeah. Her name's Elevin. Elevin.
Like 11.
Yeah, 11. Like, kind of like Evelyn, like my mom's name. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. What do you mean, welcome back? We never been here.
That's weird.
Yeah. Wait, do you think we'll see the monster again? My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this flight. Kayla, do you think we'll see the monster again?
I don't know. Do you think?
I think so. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, I will welcome you to the 991 President. Okay. You heard it right. The president would like to celebrate persons with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. It was
Yeah,
us who
we
did.
did.
Yeah, but this girl, did she go? Still don't understand.
No, maybe they told her, or maybe she saw. Like, I don't know.
Are you a nice child edition? If you put more
Wait a minute, Layla.
Huh.
a nice child and everyone
She looks like one of those, like, you know the people that, like, help throughout
Yeah.
there?
Yeah, they died. Maybe she pretend to be dead. Maybe she was in with the plan.
I think so.
She's probably in the plan.
put a finger down if you've ever
Yeah.
shared.
Wait, what's that noise? Is it the TV playing?
Put a finger down if you've donated.
Wait, we need to run. We need to find our seat.
Put a finger down if the first person.
Over there. No. Right there. It's your name. Write your name. Your name.
Put a finger down.
You.
Is it alive or something?
I'm watching.
Guys, we're
What
doing
the
a big dog ditch in this.
I made it on the last second.
Hey, y'all be quiet. Did
Did
we?
we just do a barrel roll?
Thank you
Thank you for your cooperation.
I've been informed.
I've been informed the president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Find him there for few further instructions.
Come here. Come on. 11, I guess she'll stay here and die. Wait. And remember, no one should
No
know.
one should know about this. Know about what?
I don't know. Did anybody else see that?
I did.
Oh my god, he scared me. Welcome to the president.
And full airplane.
Airplane. And congratulations for what you have done.
Your country is grateful, yeah.
Follow
Follow
me
me
to
to
the
the next room. I
Okay.
will give you some instructions.
Ooh, it looks modern. President's getting here quick. It will meet you. The dining
I
room.
want water.
But there is something you must know before that.
And what is that?
The president,
The president is very special.
he gets mad very
He
easy.
gets mad very easy. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane, really. That's all. Layla, I don't know if I'm going to do everything.
Yeah. That,
Hey, my dad. The glass of water while we wait.
oh no.
Uh-oh.
I just want.
This mess.
I didn't even need anything to drink. I have my Stanley.
Yeah, please find something to clean.
The mop. We need to find a mop.
Please find something to clean. Or we'll walk Princess Taylor with the rest of the fight. Hurry!
No. Yes. Wait. The mop. Great. It's clean. Okay. Good. Now you did it. Okay. You did it. My foot. There's glass on the floor.
Are you okay?
Yeah, there's glass on the floor. He should really clean that up. Ooh, there's still glass on my foot.
Oh my gosh, Layla. You look scary.
Is that the
No.
is that the president Donald Trump?
Feel that brittle.
Is that Donald Trump? Why is his name? They named it Ronald. I'm so sorry. It's the habit. I'm jumping on the table since they made me step on glass. I'm gonna tell him. Hey, the agent. Hey, the agent made me step on glass. He didn't clean it up.
My name is Ronald.
I'm the president of the Robloxian states. Well, I hope you're not the president of Disneyland because we love Disneyland.
You must know you are heroes for this nation. We have this delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet.
Can I tell you something, Michaela?
I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw the chef off the plane? We will take care of him. Throw him off the plane? That's insane.
Michaela.
Huh?
What if the monster's on this plane? I'm scared. Yeah.
I know. No, what if he's the monster? Dad, he's saying that she better learn quicker or he's going to throw her out the plane too.
Oh my god, I will tell you the ingredients. I think she's gonna die because she's only you know how old she is? She's only 25.
Throw it in the trash.
She's only 25. She's only 25. And you know what? She hasn't learned how to cook yet.
You know.
Oh.
Potato. That was kind of fun.
Soup
needs eggs.
The soup needs eggs.
The soup needs pepper.
Let me skip the pepper.
Uh-oh.
No, our girl's
Layla.
gonna die.
Was it's taking too long?
Take her out. No, our friend. It's just us.
Layla, they just threw her out the plane.
I'm eating this. Let's eat all the food.
This is so good.
Yeah.
On here too.
Mmm.
Looks delicious. Everyone take a seat.
It's too.
I'm scared.
I thought, why did she throw her off the plane? Her food's delicious.
I know.
It doesn't even need pepper.
It doesn't.
Pepper's just spicy. Yeah.
Hey,
Why? I just got on some of this thing. I need to finish. I need to eat and I need to get off.
okay.
But the video's still going.
Oh,
How about when we film it again, we're gonna be at the same part, and then we'll start it again.
I don't want to film it again. I'm just gonna finish it by myself.
Okay. Well, should I leave it here?
Yeah.
I'll leave it here so you can talk.
Okay.
But wait, what if I need something happening to me? What if I have like, what if something happens? Like, what if I have to run somewhere?
Well then, don't run then.
Cause like, what if I have to go there? And what if it shows a timer on
Oh,
top of the screen?
just get off of call and you can still film.
But you won't talk. You could just type in chat.
Yeah.
Okay, just type in chat. I'll hang up. Okay, guys, we're back.
Where's your mom?
And she left.
Where'd she go?
I don't know. We're back. Let me put this up.
Go around it and then it has like a...
Okay.
Who's it this one? Let me know who's are being streamed.
Mine's the mermaid man.
Alright, get off so you finish eating. I'm not actually